Max, my heartbeat. So, in our today's class, let us discuss about graph of quadratic functions. So, already in our previous classes, we have discussed in our quadratic equations. We have seen how to find out the roots of the quadratic equation and also nature of the roots and also how to solve the problems when we see common roots in the functions, quadratic equations. So, today let us discuss very important topic, that is graph of quadratic functions. Okay, so our basic quadratic function is y is equal to x square. Other than this, we don't have any basic quadratic function. So for y is equal to x square, how can we draw the graph? So first take x coordinates and y coordinates. Okay, if I take x value as 0, then y value is also 0. If I take x value as 1, then y value is 1. If I take x value as minus 1, then y value is minus 1 whole square is also 1. If I take x value as 2, then y value is 4. 2 square is 4. Right? If I take x value as minus 2, then also our y value is 4. Okay? So now let us plot the graph of y is equal to x square. So already you know that we have to take x axis and y axis, right? X dash, y dash, right? And here this is our origin 0 0. Point of intersection of x axis and y axis together becomes the origin, right? So from here we'll get 1 2 3 4 and so on, and negative side minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 and so on, and here also 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. Here also minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 and so on. Okay, now let us plot the graph of y is equal to x square. So when x value is 0, y value is 0, so x axis and y axis point of intersection is 0 0. Next, when x value is 1, y value is also 1. So 1 1 means here we'll get one more point. When x value is minus 1, y value is 1. So here also minus 1 1. This is our point. Next, when x value is 2, y value is 4. So x value is 2, y axis we are getting 4. So this is our 0 comma 4. And when x value is minus 2, then also our y value is 4. So here. Now we need to join the points by using a curve like this. Right? This is our y is equal to x square graph. Clear? So now what is the vertex of the graph here? Very important. Vertex of the graph means point of intersection of our graph with the axis becomes the vertex. So here where it is intersecting? 0 0. So here our 0 0 becomes the vertex of the graph. Understood? So this is our first basic quadratic function, that is y is equal to x square. Okay? So now let us see how we get the graph of y is equal to x square plus 1 and x square minus 1. Okay? So next let us see the graph of y is equal to x square plus 1. So y is equal to x square plus 1. Okay? Now let us plot the graph for this. So x axis, x coordinate, y coordinate. So if I take x coordinate as 0, then y coordinate is 1. Okay? X coordinate is 1. Then y coordinate is 2. X coordinate is minus 1. Then y coordinate is also 2. When x coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 5. Right? Why? Because 2 square 4 plus 1 is 5. When x coordinate is minus 2, then also our y coordinate is 5. Understood? So now let us draw the graph of y is equal to x square plus 1. Okay? So same like previous, take x axis and y axis. Okay? So now x coordinate, first write numbers 0 1 2 3 4 and so on. Afterwards minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Here also -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Okay. So here first let us plot these points 0, 1. So when x-axis is 0, y-axis is 1, this is our first point. Next 1, 2. So when x-axis is 1, y-axis is 2. So this is our point. Even -1 is also we are getting 2. And when for 2 we are getting 5. So this is 5. Next even for -2 also we are getting 5. Right? So now we have to join all the points in the form of a curve. Right? This is our parabola. Understood? So now what is the vertex of this graph? So at what point the graph is intersecting our axis, that is 0, 1, right? So our vertex becomes 0, 1. Understood? So when it is y is equal to x square minus 1, then how our graph will be? Like this. Means from -1 onwards. At -0, -1 we are getting our first point. Next -1. So x square. So 0. So up to here like that we will get -1, 0, 1, 0. Like this we will get the graph. This will be our graph. Understood? But in this case, in y is equal to x square minus 1, then what is our vertex? Is nothing but vertex is 0, -1, right? So when y is equal to x square plus 1 graph we are taking, our vertex is 0, 1, right? But when we are taking y is equal to x square minus 1 graph, then our vertex is what? 0, -1. Understood? So this is about our basic graphs, that is y is equal to x square plus 1 and y is equal to x square minus 1. Okay. Now let us know the width and orientation of our graph. So width. So width of graph. First suppose if we are taking y is equal to x square, already we know, yes, we know that the graph will be like this, right? Y is equal to x square means this is a parabola passing through origin, right? Even y is equal to 2x square, this is also a parabola, but this is, the width of the graph will be somewhat less. Understood? Why? Because when we take y value as 1, then we are getting x value as 2, right? So y value is 1, x value is 1, then our y value becomes 2, means here somehow. Understood? That's why the width will be very less when compared to y is equal to x square. Clear? How about y is equal to half x square? This will be somewhat, still it will be extended like this. Understood? Yes. So depending on our conditions, that is if y is equal to 2x square means y becomes 2 times of x square, then our width will be very less. If y is equal to x square, the width will be normal, but when y is equal to half x square, the width will be more. Understood? So this is how we have to see the width of the graph. Understood? Next, let us see the orientation now. So if y is equal to x square is our graph, then anyhow, so what we are discussing now, orientation of our graph. What is meaning of orientation? Means in which direction our graph will be. That is given by our orientation. So when I take y is equal to x square, then my graph will be upwards like this. right? If I take y is equal to minus x square, then how the graph will be? Y is equal to minus x square. Yes, anyhow 0 means 0, but when x is equal to 1, then my y value becomes minus 1, right? So either when you take positive values or negative values, then my graph for y is equal to minus x square will be inverted parabola. Understood? I mean downwards parabola. But when y is equal to x square, my graph is upward parabola. Understood? So these are the basic things which we need to follow when we are studying our graphs. So let us continue about graph of quadratic equations in our next class. I hope whatever the basic I have explained today, everybody understood. So if you really like my video, inform your friend to subscribe my channel. First share my video to your friends, then you inform them to subscribe my channel, and if possible give it a thumbs up. That's all for today. Take care. Bye.